Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve video, and when I post this, it'll probably be New Year's Day, but, oh well, I can't do live broadcast because I don't have enough subscribers, but I am with my sister over here. What's your name, Evelyn? Oh, I was like, what's your name, Evelyn? No, this video is not going to be...
I got these little ears on.
So this video is not going to be 5 hours long. Is it 5 hours?
Yeah, I got some
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, it's not going to be 5 hours long because I'm going to stop it.
Wait, it's
so
7.
right now it's...
What time is it? 7 a.m.
It's
7 up all night.
It's 7:23 p.m. right now. So what are we doing now? I'm talking about some stuff. And Evelyn is playing with the slime we got at Montasia. Hint, don't get their slime because it's so bad.
It's so good.
Show them the slime.
It's not slime, it's putty.
Okay, well, putty is supposed to be hard, right?
It's supposed to be watery.
This is like watery. It's like fluids, like soap. I'm not kidding. It looks hard, right?
Here, guys,
it's so slimy. I wish you guys could feel it.
Here, feel
it's slimy.
Feel it. Just...
Oh, the camera's here. Oh, the camera's here.
So I have to.
The camera is
this
that thing.
way. Right. Like, feel this go.
It's not good slime, I'm telling you.
It's amazing.
All those videos I made with the slime, that's not even good. Okay, so we're gonna stop the video and come back at 8. Okay, so right now they're watching the Ryan Seacrest thing, so I will bring you guys there and show you. Oh, by the way, it is 8:26.
You ever hear this song? You bet you can make your hands clap sound?
Hello, Rosie. Hello.
Where is he?
Like it?
That was good.
They'll be back with another hit a little bit later on. Hey, this is great. Joining us this year to host our Billboard Hollywood party, a singer and actress who made her
Alright.
debut.
I'm gonna pause this and come back later. Okay, so I was watching some of the Ryan Seacrest thing, and it is 8:35 right now. I used to have a try not to laugh video that did not go well. I had a squishies that did not go well, so I just deleted them all and I started new. But I kept the slime intro because I thought that was funny, so I kept that. So right now it is 8:36, like I said, and I am going to be watching the Ryan Seacrest thing. I might do something different. I don't know. We'll see on my New Year's Eve journey. So, yeah. Okay, so we are watching the Ryan Seacrest thing, and it's Halsey's performance. Halsey, I don't know what her name is. Not 9 yet, but it's close to 9. So, yeah.
Only 9.
It's not 9 yet. It's almost 9. Okay, so we are going to play a game with my sister and my dad. So there's commercials on right now, so they're gonna have to guess what commercial it is. So let's get started. This commercial will get started.
Jack in the Box.
Ooh, Dad won.
You waited
Dad got
too
that
long,
one.
Dad. You waited too long for the huge character to come in. Car company.
What car company?
Car company. Nissan.
What about you, Dad? What do you think?
Nissan.
Nissan, yeah. We also.
Ooh, you won, Evelyn. Okay, so it's 1-2. Who will win? Who will win? Who will win?
What? What? Oh, yeah.
Okay, this one. Kind of obvious, but what's this one?
Cat.
Oh, it's not that obvious. What is it?
Oh, for the lotto ticket. Oh,
I waited too long.
Volkswagen.
Ooh, that one was a hard one.
Hard.
What's this one?
Jack in the Box.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Wow. Jack in the Box commercials
We saw it.
like in 1 second. All right, let's see who can get the most by the end of by the time it comes back on.
show.
No, everyone, it is not 12 o'clock. All right, we are back. I will play it back to see who won. So we got 8:59. Shawn Mendes' performance, new song. Because I had never heard of it. All right, so it's about 9:25, I think. We're doing another contest. So far,
Look, she spilled her cereal too, E.
who said it first? You or Evelyn? The Cheerios.
Vacation. Surfing day.
Expedia.
Expedia.
I was right. I said vacation. Dad said it first, so you both have 1 point.
Me?
Yes. Both of you have 2 points. I mean 1 point.
Ole.
Dad, 2-1. Keep on
Not really
trying,
fair when
Evelyn.
They have the name on the screen.
Yeah,
No,
but we'll
that's
still
good.
give you credit.
Pepsi. I got that.
I heard Dad's voice a little
Call it
louder.
a tie.
So now who's ahead?
Domino's.
Was it 2-3 again?
Just Pepsi.
Yeah.
It was 1-1, and then
2-3.
2-3.
TV show. ABC.
Match game.
Dad got the 2.
Toyota.
ABC.
Honda.
Wait, who has 3 and who has 2?
Dad has
Ford.
ABC.
GMC.
ABC show.
GMC car.
Just have to play again. Okay.
Dad has 4.
MSRP on a range of 2017 GMC models. That's over $12,400 below MSRP on a GMC Sierra Denali. See your Southern California Buick and GMC dealers.
Movie.
All right, I'll come back with the score. All right, so I didn't get the full game, but I got a part where Evelyn won, so I'm gonna say Evelyn won
Happy New Year.
because that's the part I got. So right now it is 9:31. Okay, so I had to get this on video because this is a good song. So yeah. You guys, so right now it is 9:56. I might be able to be posting my video, my teen versus kid challenges. If I am, then I'm very excited. Happy New Year's if you guys are watching this video January 1, 2018. So let's get back to the TV room. Said it is 9:56 right now in Los Angeles. And I wanted to say that we were watching the Ryan Seacrest show. The thing, I don't know the full title. It's really long. But I was watching that and my sister got really bored, so now we're going to watch a movie. So let's get there. Good burger. It's not really appropriate for Evelyn, but she's watching it anyway. So it's 9:57 right now. Update, still watching the movie. My dad's asleep. My mom's sleeping. We'll wake her up when it's 11:58. My sister and I are still awake. About 11, 17, 16. Movie's almost over. I'll change it when it's time. And my mom says she has a surprise, so see what it is. 7:29 right now. We're watching the Ryan Seacrest thing. The movie ended, by the way. So yeah, the news is ending, Evelyn. We have to wait for it to end. So yeah. So here's what my mom gave me. So what is it?
A root beer float.
Ooh.
A little sparkly.
I've never tried a root beer float. We're gonna try it here. Got the television on. It is so close to being 2018. I'm so excited. Gonna devour this. It's 25 seconds, everyone. 25 seconds.
For proof?
This is my sister and my mom. Oh my god, I'm so scared. It's 19. Oh my gosh.
Look at that darkness.
Everyone.
13, 12,
10,
Fill up your
9,
glasses.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Just look at that.
Wait, where's the ball?
Okay, no one wants to see kids. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'm going to be posting 2 times today. And I want to say that this New Year's thing is going to be annual every single year. So don't miss it next year from 2018 to 19. I'm so excited that I'm starting off a new season in 2018. So happy. See you later. Bye.